I was 7 when the war started. I'd play with military trucks and guns and used to find them exciting, but with years full of terror and shelling, all I wanted to see was the heavy machinery gone. All I wanted was peace.
A new era is emerging for the region. Today, all countries in the region are dedicated to rebuilding peace, security and stability in the aftermath of war. Bosnia and Herzegovina, Croatia, Montenegro and Serbia are engaged together in regional cooperation on all issues from trade to policing. Fostering this cooperation has proven integral to both the regional security and stability of the region and to achieving a meaningful peace. Bosnia and Herzegovina, Croatia, Montenegro and Serbia will take over the full responsibility for the sub-regional arms control agreement in January 2015 as a final step in this long journey back from the brink. After a 3-year-long conflict in Bosnia and Herzegovina, regional stability and security has been established after the Dayton Peace Agreement was signed. Article 4, Annex 1B of the Dayton Agreement provided the framework for negotiations to start for a sub-regional arms control agreement. By signing the agreement, the countries recognized that establishing measures for regional stability and arms control was essential for building peace in the region. 19 years after the Ministerial Council in Budapest in 1995, and 18 years of practical implementation with the assistance of 6 different Article 4 office personnel representatives, it is mission accomplished.
The region should be proud of what has been done in the past 20 years. For the sake of young people, one cannot look back, but steer forward.
To Bosnia and Herzegovina, Croatia, Serbia and Montenegro is not a withdrawal of the international community or an attempt to leave the countries alone in the process to come. Cooperation in all matters of arms control will remain with the OSCE, shifting from hands-on assistance to a more supportive role. The agreement provides the legal framework for conducting an intrusive arms control inspection regime in military bases and installations within the area of application. Article 4 of the agreement provided a legal commitment to specific reduction methods, extensive exchange of information and intrusive inspections. It established ceilings in 5 categories of conventional armaments, where a total of 10,069 pieces of heavy armament have been destroyed so far. 1,414 battle tanks, 688 armored combat vehicles, 7,754 artillery, 170 combat aircraft, 19 attack helicopters. Mission overview from 1996 to 2014. Inspections 709. Reduction inspections 129. International assistance 1,307. Supporting countries 29.
New generation now have this region in peace. They have the basis on which they can create the future for themselves. This is the tools that we gave in their hands. And the Article 4, I think, so that did this job, because we create this mutual respect, mutual activities in the fields, just to know better each other. And you know very well, in the confrontation and the respect of each other, we can grow up very well. And the new generation, they have this possibility to do in this region. Also for the stability of the Europe itself.
There is a better future ahead. It took me almost a decade to get the war behind me and move on. My country is changing, the region is changing and progressing, and I don't want to see it any other way. My generation deserves better.